people what do you understand by nonchalant and why not to be nonchalant and why to be nonchalant. Just tell people.
Good morning, Kev sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone who are present here. I have been given a word nonchalant. If I talk about the pronunciation, it is nonchalant.
Yes.
Nonchalant means kind of lethargic, kind of you are not showing interest, kind of sadness. Once you become nonchalant, no matter how intelligent, how much wisdom do you have, somehow you are going to disturb the people. The people start getting bored. Because of that reason, we don't have to be nonchalant. Have you understood the meaning of the nonchalant?
Excuse me, do you all understand nonchalant means?
Being sad, sadness, lethargic, not getting interested in anything. All these words are called, all these words show nonchalant behavior.
Beautiful.
Understood?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
That's great. Now let me ask if anybody has understood. Let me ask this question to Miss Sakshi. Sakshi, could you please explain whatever you understood? You can pass this mic to her. Yes. Sakshi, what did you understand by nonchalant?
Thank you, sir, giving me opportunity to speak about nonchalant. So, whenever we are talking about nonchalant, so nonchalant is kind of word that we are not thinking about something. Like something you are doing activity in the class and people are not giving their interest in the classroom. So these kind of things happen because of the nonchalant, their behavior.
Beautiful. She has beautifully explained whatever she understood by the explanation of Hera here. Nonchalant is a behavior when you are... All right, anybody else please? Yes, let's go to her.
The question you have asked, if you are given the chance at the last, an audience has been listening for a long time. So what are those things which you will do to get them awakened? The thing is that what can you give? If you will not be enthusiastic, first enthusiasm is very, very necessary.
Very nice.
Once you interact with the audience, say, wow, what a lovely audience we have. Because of you, I'm getting and I'm being enthusiastic. So like this way, they'll start getting the positive vibes. It is all about making the connection with the audience.
Beautiful, beautiful.
If you are enthusiastic, people automatically start feeling that enthusiasm in your personality. And they will start listening you. So that we can do to make them awaken.
Wow, wow.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Clap for her, everybody. Wow, fantastic. Let's listen to Palak.
So if your chance is coming in last and people are becoming nonchalant on that time, you have to become a blue cow. As you said, in your one session you said you have to become a blue cow on this stage.
Of course.
Blue cow is something in which you are performing something interesting and different to others. Like you are motivating people and you are like that this is something which I have never seen in my life.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
this is something you have to do on the stage to become a blue cow. That do something which is different from others and something which audience never seen before.
My goodness.
And it creates interest in the public.
Wow.
And by that, if that is not working, go and approach people.
Wow. Wow.
Try to make that aura. If someone is lazy on that time, interact with that people. That, hey sir.
Lovingly, right?
Lovingly, hey sir, are you lazy right now? Don't be lazy, sir.
But
Don't
I have
be
noticed
lazy.
you many times blaming audience.
No sir, that is my, because of my speech if someone is becoming nonchalant on that time, it is my fault.
Yeah.
Because on the
But
stage,
going to somebody and saying that, sir, you're lazy, and even if he's not lazy.
maybe it may be wrong. of my side, but it is my responsibility to awake people, if it is first or if it is last.
My goodness.
Perform
Very nice.
something which is energetic, perform something which is meaningful, perform something which is energetic, perform
Wow.
something you can awake people.
Wow.
And become a blue cow, because
My goodness.
make your name on some position, make your position, as you said that if we make a mindset by if some speaker go on the stage and he done something really great, so we make our mind that this
Exactly.
performer gonna be do best.
Yeah.
But for that best you have to maintain that consistency,
Yeah, beautiful.
and you have to perform on the mark. And we build that trust in the audience, so we have to carry with all the joy and all the energy.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
So
Very
become a blue cow and do something
great.
which motivates people, energize people, because by that you become a different person and
Exactly.
different personality in front of everyone.
Very nice. Very nice.
That's also.
That's great. Fantastic. So here, Palak wanted to say something, that go to person, approach that person. But yes, don't blame any audience, any person, right? If he's your friend, then you can do anything, whatever you want. But anywhere, if you're in auditorium, don't say that, hey, you guys are lazy. Then they will be busy in beating you. Exactly. So don't blame. Just say that, come on, guys. Compliment them, right? All right. Anybody else wants to say?
Personalities, and we will learn different techniques, the way of speaking, the way of acting, the way of interacting. So when we saw the different personalities, so we can learn lot of things, because we have inferiority complex just because we are living in a room or we are living in a family. There we consider that we have lot of knowledge, we have lot of confidence, but if we wanted to check, so we should be part of public speaking, because in public speaking there are very different personalities. Maybe some are good knowledgeable, or maybe some are pro speaker as well, and some are pro confidence. So we have to join public speaking. For that, it not means that you join any coaching. For that, you have to interact with public also. Wherever you get chance, you should do.
Everybody should not and cannot become a public speaker. I'm saying should not here. Everybody should not and cannot become a public speaker until or unless you have a vision. जब तक कि आप इनकलाब और क्रांति लाने का जज्बा ना रखें, आपको पब्लिक स्पीकर बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. It's very